What's up, guys? GNCRC back in the building. Got a couple of updates on the SCX24. I know you guys are waiting on the Losi Super B, but it's just been too hot and I've been super busy. It's a late night, so I'm inside the house. I'm gonna show you a couple things. So you guys are pretty much familiar with this. As of right now, it has the Furitek ESC and it's still running the stock motor. And a couple other things I did to it. You guys know about all the 3D parts I printed. But we're just gonna jump right into what I have going on now. So, I bought these springs. Shocks. I don't know a lot about them. I just know they got the spring on the inside. Now, for what I read, most people don't like them. But we're gonna test them out. And the reason why I went with the green is just the green accents the green is here and accents the green that is here. So I thought that was a pretty cool little play off what I have. I've had this for probably about a week or two now. I just hadn't had time to put them on. These are by Power Hobby. That's the part of them. There's a lot of places that are selling these. I'll put a link in the description also. A lot of different variations of these. I'm sure they pretty much all the same, just a different company with their logo or whatever the case might be. So that's the first thing I have for this. So next up is the Furitek Komodo 2204 1400 kV motor, because I do want to go ahead and get the whole setup in this Jeep. So of course I had to get the motor mount for that motor, and also this is the gears for the brush conversion. This is going to be the pinion and the spur gear. So I grabbed those things also. I know you guys saw the last video where I was crawling. I got some more things I'm going to do to this suspension. Probably I'm going to test these out, but I don't see myself sticking with these if they're not that great. I am going to take off this. I'm going to go back with the stock one because that extra weight back there from the tire is actually not proportional right for this vehicle. It's just too big for this body, and I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put the original back on. But outside of that, that's about all we got going on with this particular vehicle. I'm gonna try to get all these parts in this weekend. I'm not sure I'm gonna have time. Like I said, I've just been busy. So what's going on with the C10? The C10 is staying stock. I'm trying to trick my nephew into giving it to me. He's 12 and he's in the video games. I used to be heavy in the video games. I just don't have time. But this one is gonna stay stock right now. Nothing's been changed. She lost one of the body pins, but I got a ton of those, so it's not a big deal. The only thing that we did have to change is a few days after he got it, he removed the battery from the motor. The cable from the motor, and he plugged in this into there, and it burned it. So I took the old one from the Jeep and I just put it on here. But other than that, this one, like I said, is gonna pretty much stay stock. We got a few parts that we're gonna print. Not a whole lot. He has a color combo that he has in mind. So we're gonna probably do some, for the most part, probably just some, what do you call them, whatever you call these, I forgot, just went blank. We're gonna do some of these, and we're gonna do the links. We got a couple other things we're gonna do, but as of right now, it's pretty much gonna stay stock. Only other thing I printed for this is I just hadn't had time to, this is a stand. I just hadn't had time to go in here and clean this out. I got to clean all this stuff up, and it's gonna say, I think that's RP24. I don't know if that's the design or what, but I can go in there and clean that stuff out, and once I get done, I'll put the black insert in there, and that'll be a stand for it. I actually printed, I'm gonna print another one of these, but I'm printing in black, because we're gonna do this with the black, and then we're gonna do another one of these in black and make it. So the Super B is pretty much done. Just hadn't had a chance to drive it. It's been super hot. You guys are pretty much familiar with it. For all the new guys, you know, I can't remember all the parts, but of course we got the wheelie bar, changed out the wing, MIP slipper, TP power motor, I'm using my, this is Mamba, what do you call it? Mamba Mini or Micro. I can't remember which one it is, Micro. And I actually got the motor to this also. I got another servo, but as of right now, we're keeping the stock one. And then we're using Spectrum radio. These are wheels from a Tamiya Mini. And what else did I do? I got the cover, chassis cover. There's a bunch of other stuff on here. The light idler gear. And I just can't remember, but I'll put the video of the build in somewhere. I'll put it in somewhere so you guys will see that. But you guys are pretty familiar with this. We are gonna get some running video of this. Well, unfortunately, I might wait until fall. It's just super hot, guys. The type of work I do, I work outside already. And when I come home, I don't want to be outside running the car trying to record anything. But this video is gonna come pretty soon. But now, here's the thing. I got 2 other builds coming, and this is somewhat what people consider over the top. But trust me, the one that I got coming is gonna really be over the top. And I got something that's coming in the rim of this, and it's gonna pretty much be over the top. I'm gonna get you guys input on some of the things that I want to do to it. So you guys know I have a new motor for this, but I'm gonna use that motor on something else. I don't even know if I'm gonna use it. I think I got another one that I want to get, just due to the shaft and the KV rating, just because I got some other things that I'm looking at. And I still got to do some video with Losi DBXL-E and also the SBR. And like I say, I got 2 more builds coming. They're gonna be pretty cool. But I just want to give you guys a quick update. Until next time, this is GNCRC, over and out.